Chromosomal theory of inheritance. Mendel published his work in 1865. He published his work in the 1865, but till 1900 his work was not given importance, or his work remained um, his work remained unrecognized till his work remained unrecognized. Unrecognized till 1900. What was the reason? What was the reason? At his completed, he published his work in 1865, and his work was not given importance till 1900. What was the reason? So reasons. What was the reason? One reason is the communication. One reason is the communication. So communication was not easy. So his work was not properly spread. So his work his work could not be spread properly. So that time communication was not easy. As today, very strong print media and the electronic media, but those days electronic media and the print media was not so strong. So his work could not be spread properly. One reason. And second, his concept of factors. Today we are asking the genes. His concept of factor as stable and discrete unit and his concept of factors or genes as a stable and discrete unit that transmit the characters, that transmit the character unit that transmits the characters and which did not blend with each other. This concept of factors or genes as stable and discrete unit that transmit the characters which did not blend with each other was not accepted by the biologist of his time as variations were observed as continuous variations were observed in nature. So second is his concept of factor or genes as stable and discrete unit that transmit the character which does not blend with each other was not accepted by the biologist of his time as continuous variations were observed in the nature. Now third reason, his application of mathematics and statistics in biology was a new phenomenon. So it was not accepted by biologists of his time. So next one is his application of mathematics and statistics. This is what the new mathematics and statistics in biology was a new concept or a new phenomena, and which was phenomena which was not accepted by the biologists of his time. And next, fourth reason, he could not provide. Next reason, you can write here. Next reason, he could not provide. Next, he could not be able to provide any physical, he could not to any physical proof for the existence of factors. So these are the reasons, these are the four reasons why Mendel's work was not given importance. So in 1900, in 1900, in year 1900, three scientists in 1900, three scientists in 1900, three scientists, De Vries, three scientists, one is the De Vries, Correns, and Sermark, and three scientists, De Vries, Correns, and Sermark, rediscovered they experimented and find nearly the same result as obtained by the Mendel. So in 1900, Mendel's work was given importance. So the scientists independently rediscovered Mendel's laws of inheritance. So in 1900, three scientists, De Vries, Correns, and Sermark, independently rediscovered Mendel's laws of inheritance, and after the rediscovery, Mendel's work was given the importance. By that time, by that time due to by that time due to the by that time due to the advancement due to the advancement in microscopy due to the by that time due to the advancement of microscopy scientists were able to observe the chromosomes during cell division. It was also observed a structure in the nucleus that could double and divide equally during the each cell division, and that structure was called as the chromosome. By year 1902, the movement of chromosome by 1902, movement of chromosomes during cell by 1902, movement of chromosomes during cell division had been worked out. So here important thing is there, movement of the chromosomes. We have studied about the cell division, meiosis cell division and the mitosis cell division. You know the how movement of the chromosome takes place. You studied that the chromosome different stages of the cell division as interphase. In case of the interphase, it consists of the three subphases G1, S and G2. Actually, S phase is the synthetic phase where the synthesis of the chromatin material takes place, but there is no increase in the number of the chromosome. So cell prepare itself for the division, and after that M phase comes, and which is common in both meiosis and the mitosis, and you studied during the cell division, movement of chromosome takes place due to the formation of the spindle fibers. Let us discuss in detail about the cell division during this lesson also. So, Sutton and Boveri, very important. Sutton and Boveri. Sutton and Boveri noted that the behavior of chromosome was chromosome was parallel to the behavior of parallel to the behavior of genes and used chromosomal theory used chromosomal theory to express Mendelian's laws. So in this way, important thing is there, movement of the chromosomes. So in next time we will study about the movement of the chromosome, how movement of the chromosome takes place, and second part of the chromosomal theory of the inheritance. Thank you.